The Social Justice Capstone is a course that's available only to seniors. We're looking for students who are volunteering pros, so they've been volunteering for years and now are looking to invest themselves much deeper into a nonprofit's mission. Sophia is a student who came to me looking for a capstone idea.
I wanted to do something that was a little bit more hands-on, where I can immerse myself in a bigger way. She was like, I know just the place for you.
Alexandria House is a transitional living shelter for women and children.
What I've really appreciated about Sophia is her ability to just jump in and do what needs to be done in the moment.
This program is a really great way for me to sort of intersect my academic interests with my extracurricular interests.
It has changed her life so that she can now change the society in which we live.
They're really the ones who are defining what the need is and rolling out a sustainable project, dedicated to it in a way that's beyond just volunteering.